Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact screw head and securing the scrapbook on a flat surface. This prevents page damage. Once identified, choose the correct driver. A slightly smaller bit often bites better. If the head is stripped, press a rubber band over it for extra grip, then turn slowly. Make sure to apply steady downward pressure while turning. This reduces cam out. If the screw resists, stop and try penetrating oil on metal posts. Don't force and risk tearing paper. Once the initial turns fail, shift to controlled extraction techniques. You can tap the driver lightly with a mallet to seat it, then apply slow torque. This dislodges adhesives holding the screw. If stripped, a left-hand drill bit often backs the screw out while drilling the head. Alternatively, glue a bit to the head and let it cure for a strong pull, only if the screw won't be reused. Make sure to shield nearby pages so debris or lubricant doesn't stain the scrapbook. You finish by gripping the loosened screw with needle nose pliers or a screw grabber and pulling it straight out to avoid enlarging the hole. Once removed, clean the metal posts and surrounding paper with a tiny amount of isopropyl alcohol applied to a swab. Make sure it dries before reassembly. If the screw breaks off, drill a small centered hole and use a screw extractor. If pages begin to tear, stop and reinforce with thin card. This preserves the scrapbook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.